everyone, especially to you, sir. Good morning. We are Group 5, and our project proposal is titled Light Diffraction System, Laser and CD Model. In our project, we aim to demonstrate the diffraction of light using a compact disc or CD as a diffraction grating. Diffraction happens when light bends and spreads as it passes through or around a narrow surface, proving that light behaves as a wave. When light waves overlap, they create interference patterns or bright on dark regions. A CD naturally acts as a diffraction grating because it has thousands of tiny, evenly spaced circular tracks that separate light into these patterns. By shining a laser on the CD, and observing the bright spots that appear on a screen, we can calculate the wavelength of the light or even the spacing between the CD tracks. This setup is simple, low cost, and visually shows that wave nature of light, the same concept used in optical technologies like data storage and spectroscopy.
Next slide, please. So the objectives of our projects are first, to demonstrate how laser light produces diffraction when it hits the surface of a CD. Second, to observe and analyze the interference pattern formed on the screen. Third, to apply the diffraction grating equation to calculate the wavelength of the laser or the spacing between the CD grooves. Fourth, to understand the wave behavior of light through a simple experimental setup. And lastly, to connect these principles to real world applications such as optical data storage, spectrometers, and other light based technologies.
Let's now proceed to the concept and formula of our project proposal. When light interacts with a surface that has closely spaced lines, it spreads out and overlaps, creating a diffraction pattern of bright and dark spots caused by constructive and destructive interference. And a compact disc has thousands of tiny tracks that act as a diffraction grating. When a laser beam strikes the CD, the light waves reflect and interfere with one another, creating multiple bright and dark spots on the screen. This is caused by the constructive and destructive interference of the light waves. To analyze the pattern, we use the diffraction grating formula, which is D sine angle equals m of the wavelength, where D is the spacing between the CD tracks and angle is the diffraction angle and m is the order of the bright spot and the wavelength of laser light. To find the angle, we use the equation angle equals tan negative 1 open and close parentheses of x over L, where x is the distance from the central bright spot to the first bright spot, and L is the distance between the CD and the screen. So, after calculating the angle, we can determine the wavelength of the laser or the CD's groove spacing. This experiment helps visualize the wave properties of light in a simple and measurable way.
For our materials, we will use first one old compact disc, which will cost us 5 pesos. Second, one piece of cardboard, which will cost us 10 pesos. Third, one toy laser pointer, which will cost us 50 pesos. And lastly, two pieces of illustration board for the screen and base, which will cost us 30 pesos. So our total estimated cost is only 95 pesos. For the construction, we will create two cardboard stands, one for the laser and one for the CD. The CD will be positioned vertically facing the laser, while the illustration board will serve as our viewing screen. Once everything is aligned, we will turn on
on the laser pointer to project the diffraction pattern onto the screen. During the experiment, we will measure the distance between the central bright spot and the first order bright spots on both sides to compute the wavelength using the diffraction formula. This model is not only affordable but also effective in demonstrating an important concept in wave optics.
To conclude our project, the light diffraction system, laser and CD model provides a simple and visual way to understand the wave nature of light. It uses everyday materials to show how diffraction and interference create measurable light patterns, connecting science concepts to practical technologies we use daily. Thank you for listening.